Today we are going to explain port knocking. Port knocking sort of hacker actually trying to check in your router which ports are open. Uh, let's see, port knocking is a security mechanism that allows you to hide open ports on your MikroTik router from the public internet. Instead of keeping ports like SSH or Winbox open all the time, they remain closed until specific sequence of connection attempt the knock is made at the designated ports. So port knocking, how hacker actually try to see which ports are open. They usually use sort of one application Nmap. Nmap download. We're trying to check using Nmap application. Just download for Windows, right? Open it. Then open the Nmap. Okay. Target our router IP address 192.168.100.1. Then intense scan. Now you can see the hacker can easily see which ports are open in our router. Can you check? These ports are open ports, right? SSH, telnet, all ports are open, right? FTP. Now if you can they are knocking in our port, so how to block and how to disable this port from our router? Let's see. If you go to the IP2 service, you can disable those ports. Okay, now let's say hacker, if now try. Now you can see some ports are not accessible, right? Or some ports already he is not getting, like SSH port, those ports now not showing here open port. So this way you can actually scan, you can scan your network and which ports are open, you can disable those ports here, then those not will be appeared in scan list. Thank you for watching.